So guys, welcome to the live stream as you already came here. So I hope you are waiting from the long time, but I don't think that because it just started for a few minutes ago. But we have to stay here approx like 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's enough for today. So we will start after a moment. We have to just look one thing, guys. There is something like a modification in this because as I can see it was like completely blank, but today I can see like it is bluish color. Well, it's looking differently, but we will adapt to according to this screen, and it looks like a pretty cool as before the previous one. But I like black, like dark mode. Always like dark mode is favorite. So guys, let's start without wasting the time. So guys, digital crypto learning. Hey bro, hi bro, welcome to the digital. You are already cryptocurrency. Your name is like very unique. Digital crypto. Well, nice to meet you. Nice to talk with you here that you are here. So let's start before the. Let me check. Neha Sana. Oh, Neha Sana, so you finally came as I told you in the previous time. Like, because in the previous time we were very hurry. I was very hurry because already the time was very less and automatically the time was finished. And just for like 10-15 minutes I did the live stream. But today we have like enough time so we can talk, we can chat, we can make many trades. Anything can happen today. So let's start without wasting time. I'm going to make the first trade. Let me check everything is clear or not. Trades we can check here. So see guys, like previous time I will show you the history of the previous time. Hit learn binary. Yes, that's good. You can check the previous on the 24 May, like the profit was continuous 9 times. Like profit, and we are not sure like what will happen today. So let's make the first trade and we will get like this will be loss or this will be profit. Because only two things can happen here. Like it can be goes to the upward or it can move to the downward. Well, it's trying to go back to the downside. I just make a down trade. Let's see what will happen. We have to wait for the 2-minute duration because I make the 2-minute duration. Let's see. If we check on the active trade, like here it is going to be profit, but it can be loss because it will be loss now because this Japanese candlestick came above this trade line. I invested 300 with the duration of the 2 minute in the downward direction because here the Japanese candlestick was moving to the downward. Yes, creative videos, you came back here. So creative videos, it is going to downward. You can check now, but it's trying to move in the upward position now. If we check the history, previous two Japanese candlesticks was moving completely in the upside. So this third also can move to the upside, but here if we look on the momentum lines, look here guys, these are the momentum lines. They are looking like that. They are moving and trying to go back to the downside. So only 1 minute left here and it is become like down trade here now. Let's see what will happen in the, well, it can be moved to the upward because if we focus on the yellow momentum line is like literally bent to the upward. Before it was to the downward, but still the momentum line is moving to the downside. So like it is on the neutral line. Anything can happen here. Let's wait and let's see for the 42 seconds. Well, it completely came back to the downside. We waited for 1 minute 30 seconds and now just only 30 seconds will choose and will give our profitable amount after the 20 second. Well, it came back to the again upward. See guys, it has to remain to the downside if we want the profit. See guys, just because of the 2 seconds it came profitable trade. This sometime happened but we got the profitable. So join it guys, hurry up. Yes, it was profit, but let me make the another trade in the upside here now. Like 30 seconds remaining. Well, it's completely moving to the upside. If we look and focus on the blue line, it's still trying to go back to the down. We can take a relax here. So guys, creative videos, another guys, what do you think? Where I have to make the next trade? In the upside or downside? What do you think, Neha? Well, let's see what will happen. If I make this trade here, then completely surely it will be the surely it will be the profitable. It's going up and trying to come down. Yes, it's happening here now. See, I make it up trade because according to the previous history, downside. Okay, let's see what will happen. So we have to wait just for 1 minute and 35 seconds. Well, now it's going to the downside according to your choices that you are saying it will move to the downside. But if we check the previous two Japanese candlesticks, they also look like that they will move in the downward, but after that they came back in the upward. So now we have to wait for the 1 minute and 15 seconds. It has to move in the upward direction so we can get a profit. Well, the thing is that guys, there is no need to make like continuous trade and very quickly. We have to wait. Like I make the first profitable trade. After that I just make it like quickly because it was moving. The momentum lines were moving in the upside. But I would like to mention one thing. This blue momentum line can change any second, any duration, any minute. Like just a minute before it was completely moving in the upside when I make the trade, but now it came back to the downside and it not trying to go back again the upward. Only 30 seconds remaining at the gap. Like here, I make the trade and this is the Japanese candlestick which is going to be downside. Surely it will move in the downside, but here the gap is too much. So it doesn't look like from anywhere that it can give the profit. So first was profitable, second is going to be loss, but it's okay, like still we are in the neutral amount, so there is no need to worry about it. We have to make the another trade. Let's wait for the next Japanese candlestick. Now it's trying to move in the upside. Well, it can move upside. Well, let's make a trade with the duration of the 3 minute. $35. So guys, I make a trade with the 3 minute duration. In the upside, we have to wait for the 3 minutes. So in the 3 minutes, 1 minute is going. Oh, not 1 minute. It's just only 20 seconds. Finish now. Still we have to wait for the 2 minute 30 seconds. Well, we can make like 1 minute duration in the upside because it's trying to move in the upside. If I focus on the yellow line is trying to move in the upside. See, and well guys, I have to make here like 800 because it was moving completely in the upside, so surely it will give the another profit. So guys, what do you think? Now have any chances that it can cross the trade line? It can move suddenly to the downward. Have you any idea about it? Because I can say here like 1000% this is going to be profitable because it's already very far from our trade line. It can come back to the downside, but it will not cross our trade line because the gap, the difference between the Japanese candlestick and the trade duration line is too much, and it's still trying to move in the upward. See, here it looks like that it is coming to the downside, but it will move back further again in the upward. Now we have to wait just for only 1 minute and 23 seconds. Only 1 minute left and I have to wait. You have to wait also for just 1 minute. Only 50 seconds, guys. 45 seconds. As I told you, in the final time it will come back to the upside, and the same thing is happening here. It's going back again to the upward and not trying to go back to the downside. Here it can move, but it will not also move here. So guys, look here, first trade was profitable, after that I make the second profitable trade, but it was loss. But again the third is going to be profitable. So here two profitable trades and one loss. So guys, join it and watch it carefully. After that, so guys, here first trade was profitable. So guys, look here, first trade was so guys, look here, first trade was profitable. After that, I make the second profitable trade, but it was loss. But again, the third is going to be profitable. So here two profitable trades and one loss. So guys, join it and watch it carefully. Let's make a trade with the downside or upside. Here I make like 3-minute duration, so it was completely 1 to 3 minutes in the upside. But here the chances is that now it can come back again to the downside, because if we look on the yellow momentum line, it's trying to go back to the downside. So what do you think? After 10 seconds I will make a downside. Well, again it's trying. It's trying to both sides, like it is trying to move to the upward, or it's also trying to go back to the downside. So what we have to do in this situation, we can wait, we can relax. I told you there is no need to like make continuous trades if the graph is not predictable, not analyzable. So we can take a relax for some minutes until we will not found and the criteria like on which direction it will move. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, here it's trying to go back to the downside, but it can come back again to the upward, or it can go back completely like downward. So let's wait. Dhanjay Verma, hello sir. Hi bro, how are you? Everything is fine actually. So here we can make like a down trade as I guess. Okay, let's make a down trade without wasting the time. With the 3 minute or 2 minute it's enough. Well, it's trying to go back also to the upward, so we can take some seconds, relax, and let's watch it carefully in the 20 seconds where it will move exactly. to the upward. Creative videos I made. That's great. Creative videos. I know that you will make a profitable here. So that's good. So finally it came to the downside. It was trying to move in the upward, but it came back again finally to the downside. Now here, like anything can happen, it can go back again to the upside or it can turn back to the downside. Anything can happen. We have to wait and let's focus on it. So guys, where you want to suggest, which composite index or which direction you want to suggest, upward or downward? I will make one trade according to your choice. Well, if I will make like according to my choice, then I will wait for some seconds. Dhanjay Verma, ST sir? What is ST? I didn't get the meaning of the ST. Bro, write it like completely so I can understand and other subscribers also understand what is ST. Well, I will not make any trade at this duration because here it likes not stable. It is changeable. Like it is also going upward, then downward, then bigger, then smaller. Like anything can happen here at this duration. So we can wait for a little and after that we will make another trade in the upward direction if it will come too bigger. Zing, zing, zing. Well, here it's trying to go back in the upward, but it can also come back to the downside. Like it is moving. The yellow line is moving like it's straight, but the blue line is trendable and flexible, changing like up and down. Anything can happen in this blue line. But the main thing is that Japanese candlestick always follow the line of the blue one. So blue one is moved to the upward, it will also move upward. If blue line move to the downside, then it will also move to the downside. So guys, this is the problem. When we are going to make any trade, this is the only face the problem. This one, like whenever we are going to make, it can change suddenly anytime according to just in opposite direction. So guys, this is the time to make a trade here now. I discussed so many times, so many minutes. Not too much, like approx 5-6 minutes we discuss. So let's make. Well, where I will make a up trade. Okay, let's take a one up trade. Just come back to a little downside and after that I make it quickly. Let's wait 13 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Well guys, already waited. Let's make a trade here now. Well, guys, I'm going creative videos. I made enough. Okay, if you made up trade, then why I'm waiting? I am going to also make up trade now, and let's go it. 2 minutes in the upside. Let's see what will happen. So already waited like 5 minutes approx, and this is the time to make a trade, because here if we look the history from the previous time, like if I analyze this Japanese candlestick, Omar Farooq up trade, boss. Yes, I also think like that, and I make in the upward. Let's see what will happen after the 2 minute duration. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining now, and it was moving like for the 40 seconds in the upward, but it is also trying to go back to the downside. So let's wait what will happen in the end of the time, because we have time is still 1 minute 20 seconds. If this will become the profitable, then like 3 profitable trades like a hat trick. Well, guys, it is going like completely too much upward. That's the amazing thing. Like we are like 1000% becomes like sureable. Like we can say like it will be profit 1000%. Nobody can change it when the Japanese candlestick move very far from our trade line, and the time remaining is very less. Like here, this is our trade line. This is going very far, and the time is only left only just 20 seconds. So nobody can deny it. It will be like surely profitable. So guys, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and profit. Result here. 3 profitable trades. So now, yes, this is the profit. Now we have to make another profitable, maybe in the upward or downward. We have to again, like we can wait. As I told you, there is no need to make continuous trades. मतलब कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि लगातार बस ट्रेड करते जाओ, लगातार करते जाओ. थोड़ा धीरज रखो, पेशेंस रखो. उसके बाद जब आपको टाइम फिक्स लगे तब जाके ट्रेड करो. तो देखो अब जैसे ये अगर मैं ऊपर की साइड लगा देता, इसको बना देता, तो नीचे चला गया, वो डाउन लॉस हो सकता था. दोनों चीज़ें हो सकती है, कभी कभी वो चीज़ें गलत हो जाती है. पर चलिए देखते हैं, अगला ट्रेड फिर से लगाते हैं, या तो अप या डाउन, एक ही चीज़ करना है. Well guys, here we can make a down trade, right? Well, if I make it like quickly to the downside, that movement, then it will be become, okay, let's make. Without wasting the time, 3, 2, and I can say now 1. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So 1 minute 50 seconds again. Fourth profit is going to be profit according to that movement right now. But we have to wait like for approx 1 minute 45 seconds. And let's see what will happen in that duration. Like 2 minutes will indicate our profit or loss. Well, it's trying to go back in the upward, and it looks like that it is going to be loss. But it's okay. Just be chill. No need to worry about it, losses and profits. Well, guys, now anything can say, like anyone can say, it is going to be lost, right? But still, we have time like 30 seconds. So, well, this is interesting. Well, guys, the fourth profitable trades right now, but it can be like loss or profit. Anything can happen here. Like, see, it came now loss, now profit. Everything is going here. Now going upward, came back in the profit only one, and this is loss. So did you see? Just because of 1 second it becomes loss. Otherwise it was surely profitable. So sometimes this situation also we have to face, but we will recover this money because already in the profits. So guys, I would not say anything right now because you know the what just happened within the last 2 seconds. Like up, down, profit, loss, profit, loss, profit, loss. Till the end of the 2 second becomes profitable, but in the end of the 1 second it becomes like loss. So this time we can't do anything. As I told you several times, our losses just happened because of these situations when the Japanese candlestick suddenly, quickly, instantly change the direction in our against, not in favorable, in our against. So the same thing happened when, well, it's okay because we are already in the three profitable trades. So well, here guys, it is going very upward. But I miss this Japanese candlestick. If I make the up trade here, then surely it will becomes the profitable. But we have to wait. Let's see. Only here it's trying, right? Let's see what will happen. Well, guys, the fourth profitable trades right now. Well, guys, fourth profitable trades right. Well, guys, the fourth profitable trades right now. But it can be like loss. Well, guys, the fourth profitable trades right now. But it can be like loss or profit. Anything can happen here, guys. See, it came now loss, now profit. Everything is going here. Now going upward. Came back in the profit. Profit. Only one, and this is loss. So did you see? Just because of 1 second it becomes loss. Otherwise it was very profitable. So sometimes this situation also we have to face, but we will recover this money because already in the profit. Guys, the first profitable trade. So guys, again only 55 seconds. Omar Farooq, आम डेम आम आप दिमाग से बहुत कूल है बॉस. Well, thank you, bro. I think you also know the Hindi, so let's talk in the Hindi. So guys, well, I'm addicted to speak in English, but it's okay. अभी आपने देखा completely वो प्रॉफिट था, लेकिन सिर्फ सिर्फ 1 सेकंड. देखा 1 सेकंड से क्या क्या हो सकता है. एक सेकंड से अपना इतना बड़ा लॉस हो सकता है, इतना बड़ा प्रॉफिट हो सकता है. दोनों चीजें हो सकती है. अब देखो ये कंप्लीटली प्रॉफिट है ना, लेकिन यहां आ गया एंड टाइम पे इन द लॉस में. अभी डायरेक्शन इसकी लॉस चल रही है, प्रॉफिट चल रही है, दोनों चल रही है. तो देखिए अभी क्या होता है. 3, 2, 1 and profit. So guys, I told you I will recover it, and the before this one was loss and this is profit. For profitable trades to losses, so everything is in the profitable right now. 3, 2, 1 and profit. So guys, I told you I will recover it, and the before this one was loss and this is profit. For profitable trades to losses, so everything is in the profitable right now. 2, 1. So guys, Well, we still like 15 minutes left. We will take a break after the 15 minutes. Let's make it another trade here. Come back to the down. Yes, 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 yes. Go back to the down. Yes, it came. Just go back to the down. Well, guys, I was just making a down trade here, but sorry, I was just going to make a up trade, but it's okay. Sometime it happened. Now it like crossed from our heads. It already left. 10 seconds left. If I make it this upward when it was moving to the downside, then the fifth profitable trades will comes in our hand. So guys, let's see what will happen. 2 minutes, and this will be the like fifth profitable trades according to this condition. It is going like completely profitable, but it can becomes loss or it can be profit. Anything can happen. Now it is going to be loss. Before this like 20 seconds it was completely in the profitable. Well, it's trying completely moving to the downside. I think it will form the same Japanese candlestick size as the previous upward Japanese candlestick was formation. Like see, it was a bigger Japanese candlestick here. After that, it has to be move in the upward because continuous like two Japanese candlesticks were moving in the upward. So the third one can also move in the upward, but it's tried to go back to the downside, and a same size of Japanese candlestick form. Like if you collect these together, then it little bit difference, and after that they can the same size. So the third profitable trade, sorry, the third Japanese candlestick is now going back in our favorable condition. Now just only 55 seconds remaining, and it is the biggest it is forming, guys. Well, let's see. I like this where it was like too bigger as compared to our thinking. So 5 profitable trades done. Just 35 seconds remaining. Well, this is like as I told you, when our chances of motivation like increase and satisfaction also increase when we think like that the Japanese candlestick is very far from our trade line. So guys, fifth profitable trade is coming now. Our trade line is here and Japanese candlestick is there, and this is become profitable. Result is here. Continuous like 5 profitable trades without losses. So let's make another profitable trade in the upward direction, guys. Or we can wait here because it can turn back to the downside. Guys, I have to change the direction in the like 3-minute duration or 2-minute duration is okay. Let's think about it. Well, it's increasing to the upward. So 15 seconds remaining now. 987654321. Go down. So I will make you up trade. Well, it's okay. Like here a little bit risky chances that it can become loss, but if I make the same trade here when I was thinking like to make a up trade at this moment, when it was here like a little bit upward at this line here, then if I make it here, then 1 minute like completely finish, and after that it will move till here, then this is going to be down. After that the third one becomes to the upside, then it will surely like profitable trades before like 1 minute. But we waited for 1 minute, so it's okay. We have to wait for the next trade because it is going to be like loss. Why I am saying that it can be loss? Because you know very well our trade line was a little bit upside, but the Japanese candlestick is a little far. Another problem is that we have like very less time, just only 50 seconds. Well, anything can happen. Like I will make sure about it profitable if the Japanese candlestick was turned to back to the upward, but it is like very big now and it's completely trying to move to the downside, so it is like loss, but it's okay. Nineteen seconds remaining, guys. Three, two, one, loss. So guys, what do you think? Let's take a break right now or like after 5 minutes? Five profitable trades and three losses, as I guess, right? 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5 losses. Two is still in the favorable condition and the profitable. So let's make a profitable trade now. Now the graph is changed. Here it was completely moving upward. Now here it is trying to go back to the downside. And while we are waiting, we can make a trade here now. Let's check the another composite indexes. Europe, where it is moving. Well guys, Europe is increasing fabulous in the upside. Let's make a upside. Let's see what will happen. No need to worry about it. It can be profit or loss, anything can happen there. Asia composite index and Europe composite index. A little bit downward trying here. Commodity is like irregular, so we have to come back on our another same like Euro composite index. So Euro composite index here trying to move to the downside, but it will surely come back to the downside. So let's wait for a movement or 2 minutes. Here I make like two trades. After these two trades, if I got the loss, then I will take the break for the 10 minutes for just like mind fresh, for concentration, for focus. So guys, don't go anywhere. We will take a break for now, like for 10 minutes. After this, finishing of the two trades. Both are currently right now in the like, I can say like loss, profit, loss, profit. Both things are happening here. Let's check our, so this is the Asia Composite Index. Well, now, very interesting. Still we have time is 1 minute 20 seconds. It can come back to the downside. It will be like more good for us. and this was like for a moment it was become the loss, but here it's completely moving in the profitable direction now. So let's check on the Asia Composite Index is here. It can turn back to the downside or upward. So our time is only 27 seconds remaining here. So guys, this is the sixth profitable trade is going to be now on the Europe Composite Index. And above this I also make another one. It can be loss or it can be profit, like both came in the profit. This is profitable, 6 profitable trades. And now we have to just wait for this 23 seconds. So come back here and let's see where is the Japanese candlestick right now. Well, it came back here in the upside before it was moving to the downside. And only 20 seconds remaining now, guys. 8. Well, it come back and turn back to the upside. So like there is neutral. I make like 2 trades, one neutral, one profit. So it's okay, normal. So guys, take a break. So guys, here like one profit, one loss. There is nothing like interesting. It was like neutral. So let's take a break for the 10 minutes and come back here. So everyone, those who are watching right now, you are also free for the 10 minutes. We will join it back. I will update you and you have to come back there again after exactly like 10 minutes. Okay guys, so 10 minutes a break. So guys, welcome back again. After the 10-minute break, we came back here. Well, we can check the Asia Composite Index now. It's like traveling to the same direction, like not too much upward, not too much downward, like both directions are happening here. So guys, we waited for a lot of time. Let's make a trade with the 6 profitable trades and 3 for losses. Still we are in the profit, but we have to make more profits. But it doesn't matter, like we have to always make just profits and profits. The best thing is that if we are not in the loss a little bit amount, like even single 1 rupees, 1 dirham, $1, anything, even if we are in the neutral, then it's also like better as compared to losing something. So guys, I want to suggest you one thing, like if you are making the trades and if you have very low budget, then it is not necessary to make all the time like continuous with the huge amount, because sometimes even I and you can think about it like, oh, let's make a trade with the bigger amount so we can get the profit quickly and with the huge. But don't be greedy so much. If you have low budget, then invest little smaller amount. So if you get the profit, then it will be like small profit, but even it will be profit. Instead of losing, it will be profit. That is the best thing for that. So those have like higher budget, then they can invest high amount. It is depends on them. I am just suggesting you, if you have to make the trade and investment according to your budget. जितना आपका बजट है उस हिसाब से आप ट्रेड करें, इन्वेस्ट करें. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि छोटा बजट होने के बाद सबको एक साथ जुटा दो और एक बार हार जाओ तो उसमें देखो फिर वही बात है, लॉस हो जाता है. तो फिर इस वैसे यही टाइम सोचने में निकल जाता है कि काश मैं इतनी बड़ी अमाउंट इन्वेस्ट नहीं करता, अगर ये नहीं करता तो वो प्रॉफिट हो जाता. बट उसका कोई रीज़न नहीं, उसका कोई कुछ कर नहीं सकते. अब यहाँ 1 मिनट की ड्यूरेशन है, हमने 7वीं ट्रेड लगा दी है प्रॉफिट की गुंजाइश में, पर यहाँ भी 56 सेकंड्स रिमेनिंग है और ये काफ़ी नीचे आ चुकी थी ट्रेड लाइन. बट अब ये ट्राई कर रही है ऊपर जाने की, पर लगता नहीं कि ये रिकवर करवाएगी 45 सेकंड्स के अंदर. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट विल हैपन. ...21 seconds and it is now trying to go back in the upward, but it will not recover the distance because the trade line duration is too bigger as compared to the previous one. So here this is going to be loss, and I will do one thing now. Let's make a 800 dirham. 2 minutes. Well, still it's trying to go back to the downside. So guys, let's make it. We have to wait for the like 3 minutes, because I make an investment of the 800 in the upward direction for the 3 minutes. So, or I think I can make like 1 minute duration also with the 300 investment. 300 And well, let's wait 1 minute. Five, four, three, two, one, and it is still going back to the downside, right? Well, guys, I noticed one thing here. It was like zigzag moving, like trying to go back upward, then downward, then upward, then downward. So let's see what will happen now. It has to be moved, go back again in the upward direction. So if I got like this profit, then it will recover the previous two losses, and after that there is no losses. Now still 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining, guys. It has to be go back again in the upward direction, so we will get our previous two losses in just single trade. So guys, anyone is here can write in the comment chat like this will become the profit or loss. According to me, this is going to be profit, because now it's like moving in the upward direction and our trade line is very little downward. After that, like when it came here, this Japanese candlestick was looking like that completely loss, but here after that it came back a little far from our trade line. मतलब देखो, इससे तो ये हल्का सा थोड़ा ऊपर बना था, जिसके कारण एक गुंजाइश हो गई ये प्रॉफिटेबल जा सकती है. ये वाली जो जैपनीज कैंडलस्टिक है, ये टिल यहाँ तक आ चुकी थी, कंप्लीट ऊपर जा रही थी. सिर्फ 35 सेकंड्स तक इसको ऊपर रहना है ताकि ये हमें एक प्रॉफिट फिर से दिला दे, नीचे ना जाए बस. तो देखते हैं क्या होता है 30 सेकंड्स के अंदर. अमाउंट बड़ी है जो 728 दिरहम का प्रॉफिट करवाएगी. देखते हैं. चलो ऊपर ही जा रही है. So guys, look here. I make the 800 investment to recover these two previous losses, 300, 300, 600. So now here it like profit. Profit of the 728 result. You can see 7 profitable trades, and this is the biggest amount which recover these two previous losses, and even after this recover, it is giving like 128 dirham in the profitable amount. I make the 800 investment to recover these two previous losses. So now here it like profit. Look here. I make the 800 investment. Look here. So guys, look here. I make the 800 I think everyone is sleeping and maybe they went to their homes, but it's okay. Guys, look, let's count here. I make like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 profitable trades, right? And how many losses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. Okay. Now let's count this 728 like bigger amount, and it this one trade recovered these two previous losses, so there is no loss here, even profit of the 128 dirham. So let's come here. This 279 recovered this 300 neutral. These two profitable trades are here. This 300 with this neutral, this with this neutral, and this is the profitable. So if we like calculate overall, the result is that like three profitable trades, and that's like good, cool. And this is coming like here now. Oh, it is came back in the downward direction before it was moving to the upside. Well, it's okay, still we have time. Like I make the duration for the 3 minutes, so we have time for the 1 minute and 45 seconds. Let's see it will move to the downside or in the upward. After remaining the time, we will get the exact information. Sometimes, not sometimes, mostly times. Sometimes losses, but mostly times profit when we make the duration like for 3 minutes. Because if we make the like 2 minute duration, it will become the loss. But here now in the third minutes, it is coming back again to the upside. Well, it can go back to the downside, but if it's moving completely in the upward direction, then it will give the profit. So guys, the 8th profitable trade is coming now on the Asia Composite Index with the 3 minute duration, because here a rapidly Japanese candlestick is increased very far from our trade line, and only 8 seconds remaining now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is profit. Result is here profit and 8 profitable trades. Well, we can make another trade in the upside. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, suddenly it came back here. But it's okay. Already 8 profitable trades. One become loss, there is no problem. Though there is no like big deal. Well, here it's completely like profitable, but still we have time is 1 minute 25 seconds. So that duration it can change to the down. See here. Well, it's trying to go back in the upward. That's really great. It has to be form a bigger size. So when it will turn back to the downside, then even after this, it will become a profitable trade. Well, it's like literally came very far. So it's okay. Well, it's very. Well, guys, I accept my mistake. Like I didn't have to make so quickly, because if we focus here, like it was moving in the upward, but after that it turned back to the downside. So continuously from the bigger Japanese candlesticks are forming here to the downside, but it's okay. Already in the profit. Well, 1 minute left now. It can be only profitable if it like go back again to the upward with the huge and bigger Japanese candlestick. Well, I think for today it's enough and no need to make the trades here. 2 minutes 20 seconds remaining now. Still 2 minutes left. Well guys, if the previous Japanese candlestick was turned back in the upward and it was formed there, then this has to be formed in the upward. So we will get like a profitable amount, otherwise it will becomes the loss. But here it doesn't look like that. It will move to the upward and continues like 3 losses, but we are in the profit, so everything is fine. 20 seconds left now, and we have like 40 seconds there and 15 seconds here. Well, it is increasing a little bit, but not so far. But it has to be go up, turn up in the upward direction. So we will get like it profitable amount. Well, it's coming back to the down. Did you see? Like in just 3 seconds, it went very little to the downside. Before it was moving completely to the upward side, and only 16 seconds remaining now. 8 seconds remaining now. So guys, the time is over. Now just we have to wait for 1 minute 30 seconds and the live stream will be finished after this. Well, it's trying to go back in the upward now when I make a down trade, right? Before this, I was completely making it to the upward in the 2 minutes direction. Creative video, sorry I joined late, but it's okay. Now I'm making like a last trade because here continuous 2-3 trades was the losses, but before it was like completely profitable. So this is maybe last trade. After that, still I'm in the profit, so there is no need to worry about it. We can check our like total. How much is the total percentage? 8 profitable trades, and the amount is like 50% profitable, 50% loss, like neutral amount. There is no profit in the end time. But here if we look a little bit to the downside, then just only 33 seconds remaining now, and it is now turned back to the downside, so it has to be go back to the profitable amount. So let's see. 20 seconds remaining now. So guys, a last trade is forming now. Here like 2 again losses, 3 losses, but here it already recovered with this amount. Again martingale strategy I used, and 728 will be the profitable amount. This is going to be huge profitable amount, and here is the result. So everything is in the profitable, guys. So creative videos, it's okay. It's time to go buy 9 profitable trades. Again, like the previous 2 losses becomes the profitable in the last of the 728 profitable. So it's time to say goodbye to everyone. We've done a lot of yes, a lot of trades we done for today. Okay guys, so the time is going to finish now. See you soon again everyone, those who are present here. Love you to all. See you next time on the next live stream. Bye everyone. Have a good day and rest. Everyone is, look here, profitable amount, and you can see 53 is the percentage rate of the profitable. So bye everyone.